Okay, I'm just going to do a quick recording about the process that you'd have to take to reduce your bill. That includes your gas and electricity bill. Firstly, you'd have to enter your postcode at the beginning of the screen, which is this section over here. And after entering your postcode, you'll be taken to the next screen, which will be this screen over here, which will ask you questions like who supplies your gas and electricity. You'll be able to select from the drop-down menu if your gas is supplied by British Gas, select that option, and if your electricity is also supplied by British Gas, select the option as well. It's also going to give you the options of to select what tariff you're on. For example, if you're on the standard tariff, you select that one as well. Standard tariff for the electricity, select that as well. And Economy 7 actually means that your electricity offers two different rates. That's the morning day rate and the night rates. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page a bit more, you'll also see your current method of payment. If you're paying by monthly direct debit or quarterly direct debit, you select that option. For example, you're paying your gas bill by monthly direct debit and your electricity by monthly direct debit, you select that option as well. It's also going to ask you how much you spend on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis or a yearly basis on your gas and electricity. For the gas, if you're spending £30 a month, you can put the figure there. And electricity, if you're spending £50 a month, you can put that figure there as well. And you can either use the kilowatt per hours to calculate as well, or if you're not quite sure of how much you use on a monthly or quarterly basis, you can also select the option over here, which is going to take you to the estimated page, which will estimate the gas for you and electricity as well. You click on next, and it's going to ask you how would you prefer to pay your bills. If you want to pay by monthly direct debit, you can select that option, or quarterly direct debit, or weekly or annually, or monthly in advance. The various options that you can select over here. Okay, I'm going to select pay on receipt of bill. That means I pay when the bill arrives. Okay, it's also going to ask you what kind of tariffs are you interested in. The various options are over here. You can select which one you feel is suitable to your needs, and you can either sort it by price or service rating. If I'm trying to reduce the price of my gas and electricity, I'm going to choose it by price. So I select the price over here, click on next. Okay, welcome back again. As soon as you press next, it's going to show you what tariffs are available in your area and also how much you can save by transferring your gas and electricity. It does vary depending how much you can save. It does vary depending what your consumption is. For example, it's showing me that I can save £74 based on the information I did put in to do the calculation. If you scroll down as well, it's going to show you the other options as available to you. You can also either select just transfer the gas only. Alternatively, you can also check for electricity only as well, but normally it's a better option for you to select gas and electricity. The reason is because you tend to get a dual fuel discount. So here's what you could potentially save, or let's say, or not save, if you transfer your supplies over to these companies over here. In order for you to transfer, all you got to do is actually click on I want this tariff. That will then take you to another screen whereby all you need to do is just fill in the relevant information and begin the transfer process. Hope this has helped you, and thank you very much for listening.